A woman you've been with probably wanted you to do something new with your lovemaking, but couldn't tell you how. What you're going to learn today can prompt a woman to do what you want at the moment. If you are at the beginning of a relationship or still want to win the girl over, it's a great way to brand her mind and make her think of you. Stay until the end of the video so that you don't miss any important information. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will learn 5 things that women love most in bed and you don't know. 5. Call her by terms. Classic terms of endearment like baby, baby, and sweetheart are popular with many women. These terms evoke feelings of warmth and affection and can make a woman feel loved and cherished. They are also versatile and can be used in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to intimate moments. 4. Specific compliments. Another way to show your appreciation for your partner is by calling her beautiful, wonderful, or stunning. These compliments not only make her feel good about herself, but also show that you notice and appreciate her physical appearance. 3. Pet names. Pet names such as kitty, princess, or cuddly can be a fun way to show affection toward your partner. These names are often used during intimate moments and can add a sense of playfulness and lightheartedness to the relationship. 2. Intimate names. Calling your partner by a name based on her personality traits can also be a sweet and endearing way to show affection. For example, calling her Smarty Pants if she's smart, or Sunshine if she has a positive, optimistic personality, can make her feel appreciated for who she is as a person. Before you go to the next topic, please leave a like. And there, did you? Then let's move on to the next. 1. Bold nicknames. In this case, bolder women may like to be given stronger nicknames, in which case, you know what I'm talking about, and this is great for spicing up the relationship. But remember, some women might get hurt by it, so in this case, you'd better talk to her before you call her by a nickname like that. We have reached the end of another video. Comment below if this video helped you in any way and the suggestion of any other name that you have thought of or already used with your partner. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. Leave your like, activate the little bell. See you in the next video.